short way. So let's take an example like 112 into 212. Let's see the short way. Step 1. Multiply ones into ones place. 2 into 2, that equals to 4. Step 2. Multiply tens ones place in cross multiplication. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. As I shown you here, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. The answer is 4. Step 3. You have to multiply with hundreds place into ones place, tens place into tens place, ones place into hundreds place. It's a quite difficult, but you can do it. As it take a if we see that it gives you a scrambled answer, that's why I'm writing it at another side. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. The answer is 7. Now let's see step 4. Step 4, we have to take cross multiplication of 100 into tens place. So the answer is 3. Okay, let's count. We have to write the ones place as same and we have to add the others. 0 plus 4, that equals to 4. 0 plus 7, that equals to 7. 0 plus 3, that equals to 3. But wait, we have forgot about something. Yeah, it's step 5. 1 into 2, hundreds place into hundreds place. As we did step 1 as ones place into ones place, we have to do hundreds place into hundreds place. 1 into 2, that is 2. 0 plus 2, 2. So the answer is 23,744. Let's recap all the steps. Oh, sorry. Let's take another example. 555 into 222. First multiply ones place into ones place. Then do the cross multiplication of tens place into ones place. Next, as we know that it's a bit tricky, hundreds place into ones place into hundreds place, tens place into tens place. 5 into 2 plus 5 into 2 plus 5 into 2. 30. Next, we have to do hundreds place into tens place. It's cross multiplication. And 5 into 2 plus 5 into 2, that equals to 20. Next, we have to multiply the both hundreds place, 10. Write the ones place there and add all the following digits. As we don't have any number for adding 1, we will write the one same. And the answer is 1,23,210. Let's see the clear details. First step is to multiply ones place into ones place. 5 into 2, that equals to 10. Next, find the second step. Second step is to cross multiply the tens place and ones place. 5 into 2 plus 5 into 2, that equals to 20. Let's see the third step. Step 3. It's quite tricky, but no need to worry. 5 into 2, 10 plus 5 into 2, 10 plus 5 into 2, 10. So the answer is 30. Step 4. Hundreds place into tens place. 5 into 2 plus 5 into 2. 10 plus 10, that equals to 20. And the next step, step 5. We have to multiply both the 100 places. 5 into 2, that equals to 10. Step 6. It's the simple step write the ones place quite there and add all the digits. It's 1,23,210. First step, second step, third step, and fourth step, fifth step, and at last the sixth step. So guys, if you like this, then please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.